Okay, this is to finish up problem number 7. It was part D. It takes a good bit of room, that's why it's on its own page. And I also consider this about the hardest problem on the test. So listen carefully, and you need to practice it a few times. We want to solve for x, but there's two x's, and they're both up in the exponent. If we change to a log, what's our base? It could either be base 10 or base 6, or actually it could be any base you want. But I'm going to do the way they would show you in the lab to do it, and it is a pretty neat way. We're going to use natural log, which is ln. If you do it to one side, you have to do it to the other side. So I'm going to write ln 10 to the x plus 3, which means I have to put a ln over here. 6 to the 2x. Now remember your rules for logs, the log laws as they're called. Number 3, log law number 3. The exponent can be here, or you can move the exponent out in front. So I'm going to take that x plus 3 and put it out in front. All right, so first I put ln in front of them, and then I take any exponent and put it out in front. And if it's a binomial, you need to put in parentheses. You don't need to put that one in parentheses, but you could. All right, our next step. Distribute the log 10 times x plus 3. So it's going to be x times that plus 3 times that. And you can't distribute on this side, so we'll just bring it down. Okay, we're almost done, believe it or not. We're halfway done. There's an x here and an x here. They're on different sides. We need to get them on the same side. So we're going to bring this x over here. We're going to leave, this is one thing, this is one thing, and that's one. These two both have an x. So bring that one here and move the 3 one over here. So leave the first one. Bring this one over here, so it'll become a negative. And this 3 comes over here and becomes a negative. Now both x's are over here. They both have an x, so we can factor the x out. Take out the x, we're left with log 10 minus 2 log 6, and the x came out to the front. There's no x over here, so just leave it alone. And the last step, x times this equals this. We need to move this to the other side. So leave the 3 ln 10. This is multiplied, so we have to divide. Ln 10 minus 2 ln 6. That is your answer. Now, we'll also probably want a decimal answer. This is the exact answer. To get the estimated answer, do this on your calculator. Hit the fraction button. On top, -3, hit the ln button 10, not the log button, but this is a log button, but it's the natural log. Go to the bottom of the fraction, ln 10 minus 2 times ln 6, and your answer should be 5.39. Now that's rounded off answer, that's the exact answer. I would like to see both of them on the test.